Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about creating a drop email in Yahoo Mail. So if you want to start drafting an email and you might want to come back to it later to finish it or send it, then I'll show you a quick method. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on any web browser like Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, or Chrome to log in your Yahoo account. So kahit anong browser naman na pwede natin gamitin sa pag-login ng ating account ay pwede po siya. And next step, so open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser. And then dito sa Yahoo ay kailangan lang natin mag-sign in. So dito lang sa upper right side, i-click mo lang dito yung sign in. And then kailangan lang natin i-enter dito yung ating password. And then i-click mo lang dito yung next. So once nakapag-login ka na, so ganito yung makikita mo dito sa homepage. And dito lang sa upper right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong Yahoo inbox. So click mo lang yan. And next step, so kung paano ba natin i-save yung message as a drop. So dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung compose. So click mo lang yan. And then makikita mo na dito yung new message. And then create lang tayo dito ng ating email. So once nakapag-create ka na ng email or gusto mo itong i-send later on, so pwede po yan. And then dito lang sa upright mga kaibigan, makikita mo dito yung X. So kailangan mo lang i-click yan and save to drop. So click mo lang siya. And then automatic na nakasave na yon sa drop. Okay? So dito lang sa left side menu, and then i-click mo lang dito yung drop. And dito na yung ating email. Okay? So pwede mo na itong i-continue. So open lang natin yan. I-click mo lang siya, and then ito na. So, pwede ka nang maglagay dito kung saan mo isi-send yung subject po niya. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung send. Okay? So, ganun lang po kasimple on how to save message as a drop in Yahoo Mail account. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.